Welcome, everybody, to OmniSend's Marketing Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase sales. Now, yesterday, I talked about whether or not to offer discounts in your abandoned cart messages. Today, I want to discuss the timing of those messages. And if you do offer discounts, when exactly you should be sending them. Choosing the cadence of your abandoned cart emails is another decision that has no wrong answer. And here's why. If you're selling a $1,000 product, the decision cycle will likely be longer than when you're selling a $30 shirt. Now, that being said, there is a standard send cadence I found to be successful in many brands, and here's what I recommend, at least to start. Send message 1 hour after abandonment. Remember, sending a message with a sense of urgency might be all that's needed to persuade them to complete their order. Send message 2 24 hours after abandonment. By this time, the customer has had time to price shop and consider the purchase, and they may be dying to make that purchase. They just need a nudge. Send message 3 48 hours after abandonment. Here's where you want to pull out all the stops. If you offer an incentive, offer it now. While it's certainly acceptable to offer a discount earlier in the messages, the intent is already high and the excitement level for the purchase may be too strong for them to wait to pull the trigger on the purchase. Now remember, with all messages, be sure to convey a sense of urgency, showcase your value adds such as free returns, and use social proof. Again, this timing recommendation is just a starting point. I recommend using automation splits to test your timing, incentives, and the number of messages. You know your brand and customer better than I do. Now, once you see how everything's performing, here's where you can optimize your messages further. So there it is, 1 hour, 24 hours, 48 hours after abandonment, with the incentive coming in the final message. Be sure to join me tomorrow, where I'll be discussing making your workflows even more effective by adding additional opt-in channels and why it's so important to do so. So thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out OmniSend and let us prove to you how we can help you double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing.